What's up, Kia 2 Technical? I'm back again with another video, and today kind people over at SmartDevil was kind enough to send me out their new privacy screen protector for my iPhone 16 Pro Max. So we're just gonna get this unboxed and get it installed on my device. So let me get it opened. And we're going to open it up like so. And I love SmartDevil because they make it very easy to install a screen protector on your smartphone. So you want to open it up. You get your information manuals here. That's something that you want. You get your cleaning cloth here. It comes with 2 screen protectors. So you do get one already installed in the case housing, and then you get another one. We're going to put this one over to the side. Then I like to open up the package. You get your wet wipes and your dry wipe, cleaning wet wipes, and then your dust. And you don't get any dust removable stickers with this one. That is not good. But you do get your wet wipe and your microfiber cleaning cloth. So I like to use this wet wipe first. Just get it all cleaned out. I usually go over it with the Microsoft cleaning wipe, but I'm not going to do that because I do not see any dust removable stickers. So we're just going to clean this off. And then once you're happy with how this looks, you just want to open up the case like so. Place your phone in like that. Close it back up. And then we'll just pull it off just like that. Simple and easy. I love it. I love it. I love it. And then you want to open it up, and there shouldn't be any kind of bubbles, but if there is, you just want to smooth them out. And this has no bubbles. This does really look nice on my iPhone 16 Pro Max. So this is their privacy screen. So if you're looking at it head on, you can see, but if I turn it, then you cannot see what I'm doing. That's good if you're out and about, or if you have somebody that's a snooper. I don't have to worry about that. I don't have anybody snooping, but it's still good to have. And this is what it's going to look like. As you can see, then if I turn it, you can't see it. Go back, you can see it. And that is really nice. And now this one actually looks like it is a piece of glass. Some of the privacy screens show that black film on top, but this looks like it's just clear glass, but it does that privacy effect. And I really do love the way this looks and feels. So I could take you over to their website so you can see how much this case would be if you wanted to pick it up for yourself. Let's go to their website real quick. So here it is right here. They're calling it the Smart Pool Box Privacy Screen Protector for your iPhone. So this will currently run you $15.99 plus tax, and you can get it for all of your iPhones just like that. Like I said, you do get 2 screen protectors, so if you mess up on one, you're good to go. Just know that this certain screen protector did not come with any dust removable stickers. So if you just wipe your phone down real good and hurry up and place it in, you should be good to go. Or if you have some stickers saved, then you might want to use those dust removable stickers, because they did not include them, and they usually do. I don't know what happened. Maybe that was just a miss. But I hope you found this video helpful, and I will make sure to drop a link in the description. I'll catch you in the next one. I'm out.